Welcome back to BrookeNJake Make, where I'm not Brooke.
And I'm not Jake.
Today we're doing something different. We're gonna do a craft video.
Yes. So, the theme of this craft video is fall/Halloween. We're gonna have a little competition between each other to see whose is better. So,
I'm gonna win.
In the end, let us know in the comments. We went to a craft store and set a budget of $40, but both spent $50.
Yeah, we have no self-control.
None at all.
We tried.
Yeah. But we each shopped separately. So while I shopped for my stuff, Jacob was at the way back of the store where he couldn't see me. And while he shopped for his stuff, after I checked out, I waited in my car while he...
That's a lie. She went to a different store. She completely left me at the store and I came out and she's like, yo, I'm down the road.
That is true.
Yup.
But anyways, he did his shopping and checked out, and then we did a little reveal at home when we got back. So we'll cut to that now. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Yeah.
You're making is it a Halloween
It's a Halloween wreath.
So are you gonna change those pumpkins?
No, I thought they were kind of cool. They're like greeny, which is...
They're slimy?
Yeah. They're like moldy and like gross and like...
Some black roses.
Yeah. There's black roses, and then this one is the same flower as what was in our wedding. It's not the same color, but it's the same flower.
Yeah.
So I got that one. So I thought that was cute.
Of course I recognize that.
That one's got like orange glitter in it and
Oh,
stuff.
I like that.
Yeah. And then there's like spiders, more pumpkins. But then I got a little cat and dog with bones, and I thought that was so cute. I'm gonna try and glue them to the top.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love it. I'm gonna enjoy having this up on our door once I see it's done. Yours might be faster than mine. I'll go get mine now.
Whatever.
5,
I can hear it.
4, 3, 2. I think I won. Go.
Oh!
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Here's what I'm kind of thinking is that this will be more like a centerpiece for a table. I'm gonna cut off some of these branches and use them as like foliage inside. But then I also got lights over there.
Oh.
I'm thinking I'm gonna try and put them up here and they'll look all pretty inside of that, but also be hidden. And then I picked up some pumpkins as well to kind of break apart and put in there. And I thought about trying to turn one into jack-o'-lantern, but I don't think it's gonna work. So instead I got a little fox. It might be a raccoon, but I think it's a fox. I'm saying it's a fox.
Lights up?
Or he might be broken. I don't know. He was on sale, as was all of this. But I got paint to paint the fox. Fun colors. Orange. I know I got blue and white, but that's not the intentions that I color to paint him.
No, you want to paint him.
I can't decide if I'm making him purple with a blue belly or if I'm making him blue with a purple belly. Alright, so I say it's time to get started and make our crafts.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to try and use this clear top coat spray paint because this wreath flakes off a lot, and hopefully this clear coat will lock all of those flyaways into the wreath. Let's see how it goes.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so the spray paint kind of worked. It's still kind of falling off a little bit, but it's not too horrible. So we're just gonna go for it. I think I'm gonna start with the flowers and then make it look good. fingers. So, silly me, I forgot to check the camera as I was making this craft. So you only got about half of it. But here's the rest. You got the sides, you missed the top, and then missed me putting the cat and dog on. But overall, I'm really happy with it. I think it turned out really good. We'll see if all of it stays on there. I had a little bit of difficulties with this flower playing apart. Some other things may not stay on there. We'll see how it goes. But I think that I think it turned out really good. I know Jacob's is gonna be really cute, but I think it turned out really good. I'm really, really happy with it. And let me know if you guys like it in the comments, and keep watching for Jacob's build.
Here we are, we're gonna get started for my project. I brought out all my materials and I grabbed, I think, the only tools I need. I might need hot glue, which I'll have to borrow with Brooke, but that's part of the materials we have, so it should be fine. I also grabbed these 3 brushes that we had from either previous projects or from Brooke's baking times. So, to give you a general idea of what I think I'm going to do is, I think we're gonna end up with a centerpiece that looks something like this. A painted fox with breaking these off and sticking them in here kind of behind the fox at the front. Well, no, behind the fox but around him. Adding in hanging pumpkins from either side, different sizes, make it a little fall. And then I have these lights. These lights, I think I'm gonna try and weave through this grate that's kind of up here. And my hope with that is that it'll be lit up here. Maybe I'll bring it down into the leaves and try and get the leaves to light up a little bit, but it'll just add a little bit of flair to it when we want it. And I hope that works, because he also lights up. I'm assuming it's white, I have no idea what color. These say they light up purple and orange, so hopefully I can make that work. Orange is folly, right? So to get started, the paint's gonna have to take the longest to dry, and I am kind of short on time. So we're gonna start with the paint, and then we're just gonna kind of set it all up. That's the goal, the hope, the dream, the wish. Let's see what happens. Feels like there's a spider web all over my hair.
few moments later.
Okay, so it's time for our big reveal.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna win this, just saying.
No, I'm gonna win.
Ready? Let's do it on 3. No, I like to count down. Let's do it on
3, 2, 1.
Right, I was gonna say let's do it on 3 and then I was gonna count down. But that doesn't work. So let's do it on 1.
1. Yeah.
Let's do it on 4. Alright. Ready, set, 3, 2,
1. Go!
Bam.
Oh, they're so cute!
Bam.
Oh,
Bam.
they're just
Bam.
so cute.
Oh, so I saw these pumpkins. Apparently you left some extras over
I had 2
there.
extras. I didn't need them. Did you use them?
Maybe jacked one because they were in there.
Yeah. I left them sort of thinking that maybe you would use them, but I also put them over there in case you didn't want to use them. I didn't want to like leave them out and you'd be like, you didn't use those.
As far as stealing that goes, I thought that when I saw them over there, I was like, oh, maybe I removed it from the bag and put it there. Maybe that's what was going on. But I used it.
Extra,
I'm really happy with it.
Yeah.
I like that now they kind of like work together and play off of each other. I really like the silver, which is funny because I told you I hate
in the
skulls.
stores you didn't like any of the skulls, but yeah.
I'm like, let's show it
The
up.
little cat and dog.
Exactly, that's what I was
so
like that.
Cute.
Here's what I like about yours.
Okay.
I like the silver, like I like that they don't match. So I like the silver and more like material over here. Then it's more kind of wreath style with regular flowers and that. And then you made like a centerpiece using
using the cat. Yeah, like a
draws your
focus spot.
Focus point.
Focus point.
So that's what I really like.
Yeah.
And then with mine, there are a couple things that I was supposed to touch up that I forgot about before I showed it to you. But obviously, I removed the cross pattern because the whole time I would close it, you would see like this over here and see him through it. And so his face was always cut off by this. So what I did is I removed it off. And then I thought I was going to be tricky and smart and use a Sharpie and fill this in. So I started doing it on the bottom one. The black is too much. So I figured I'll do that later.
Yeah, I like that. It looks way better with it, without the X's on it.
Yeah, and so you have a big viewing window because when you're working in it, I attached the pumpkin.
I love it. It's so cute.
When you're working in it, I was like, oh, this is much more pleasing to look at.
Right.
Then, boom, big cross.
Right.
No. So.
I think they both turn out really good.
Let's run it down. We'll pick 3 things.
Okay.
So functionality, reusability, and then one in the middle. So storage, I would give yours.
Okay.
Reusability, I would give
yours.
And then what was the other one?
Like functionality, can you use it for the holidays? I think both of ours were that one.
Alright, so it's a tie!
Yeah!
I'll take it. Well, that's what we think. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And then I will say that I really liked making this.
I
and
had a lot of fun.
That definitely goes with do something that makes yourself happy every single day.
Yep.
Or every day.
Every day. It doesn't matter. Just do something that makes you happy every day.
Agreed. See you in the next one.
Bye! Subscribe!